Hello, guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle in today's newspaper of Wednesday, October the 18th, 2023. It's today war day number 602. Yes, 602 days ago the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed, and we have a second war last week, yes, between Israel and Hamas. Alright, I've already solved one puzzle, the medium Sudoku. So this one, the second one, is a Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper, I've told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles, no additional with extra puzzles. In the evening I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper of Tuesday. Alright, Jigsaw Sudoku number 7292. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. I believe there are 20. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20, yeah. Alright. Well, it should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. Well, I think this one should be a 1-star or a 2-star puzzle. For 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 by 11 Jigsaw Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Our boxes, because the single box is always 1. I see here only one single box. Single box is always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2? No dual boxes here. I see only triple boxes here and there. Triple boxes contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here or there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Here the same, but these two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be here, so the 1 and the 3 are left. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. The inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Now we have a pair. So the other pair in this W area shape should be the numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Let me mark those. Alright. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Oh, no. We have another triple box. These two boxes can be 2. So 2 should be here. So the 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. And the inside box 4 or a 5. Okay. Overlook this triple box. Quadra boxes then. Do we have here quadra boxes? I see only one quadra box. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and a 4. Okay. Alright. Next. Strategy. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. For example, this one, the first one, let me draw this here. When you see the shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one, I believe. No, correction. We have here one with the same shape but rotated, and this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 3. Okay. Next shape then. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Alright, here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And the next shape, how about the T shape upside down? We have a T shape upside down. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. In this case, it's the 1 or a 3. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. The T shape. Do we have more T shapes in this puzzle? Yes. Yeah. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 4 here. We have more? No. Only 2 of them. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize, and the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright, let me see. Let me see. Come on. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area should be here, and this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1, 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area from us 2 and 5, 2 and 5. No, we already have a 2. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Correction, 3 and 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here or there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be here. 3 and 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area quadra box for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay. So these 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, that box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 2 there. If I place the 2 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2, but we already have a 2 here. So not the solution to place the 2 there, the only place left for the 2 should be here. Well. Yeah. Well, this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 5 there. If I place the 5 there, then this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5, but we already have a 5 here. So not a solution, place the 5 there. Only place left for the 5 in this area, should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area, from 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those, 1 and 3. And is connected with that box, should be so 1 and 3, but we already have a 1 here, so it can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 3, is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1. I mark this box with 1 or a 3. We have a 1 here, so this box should be a 3, is connected with that box, should be also 3, is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. So 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Well, this box can be 1, this box can be 3, so the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this triple box for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4, so 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 5. Well, this box can be a 5, this box can be 2, so the 2 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, let me mark those, 1 and 5. I think this box should be a 1. Yeah, of course, it's connected with that box, should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Well. Come on. This is taking too long. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, can be a 3, we have a double 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there. 3 and 4. Well. 1 and a 5. Come on, come on, come on. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area from us 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Well, we have a double 5 here. That means that this box can't be 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, then I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4, and that box should be a 5. These two boxes can be 5. These two boxes can be 4. So the 4 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the numbers 1 and 3. Okay, these two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area from numbers 5 and the 1. 5 and the 1. Alright. No. Wow. Well, come on, 1 and a 5. This box can be a 5, because we have a double 5 here. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. So 1 digit left in this cross area for number 4. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 5. So the 4 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So I've eliminated the 3. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. Then. Well. Come on. Well, we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can be a 5. Anymore, if I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 1, that box should be a 5. 3 and 1, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I marked those two boxes with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. And the final two numbers in this area from us 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Well. We solve it again. Not faster than 50 minutes, so definitely a 2 stars jigsaw Sudoku. And I like this one, yes I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with other 3 puzzles left in the yesterday's newspaper. Until then, bye bye for now.